stop, just for a second. What if I told you, you are judging a life that is not even finished yet? Right now, you are trying to understand your story, while it is still being written. And that is why it doesn't make sense. We panic when things look broken. We assume silence means nothing is happening. But have you ever seen a masterpiece while it is still being created? Up close, it never looks beautiful. It looks incomplete, messy, confusing. Dark strokes where you expected light. Unfinished shapes where you expected clarity. And if you judged it in that moment, you would call it a mistake. But the artist never reveals the final picture mid-process. Allah says, and your Lord creates what He wills and chooses. You are not the one holding the brush. You are the canvas. And the one painting your life is Al-Musawwir, the fashioner. So what you call delay may actually be perfect placement. What you call loss may actually be divine design, because you are only seeing one part of the painting, while Allah sees the complete masterpiece from beginning to end. We struggle because we demand clarity from something that is still unfolding, but Allah is Al-Mudabbir, the one who perfectly arranges all affairs. He is working in ways you cannot perceive, and shaping outcomes you cannot yet understand. So stop forcing meaning from unfinished moments. Stop asking a half-painted canvas to explain the final image. Because not everything that feels wrong is wrong. Some things are just not complete yet. Take a moment, breathe in, and release what you are carrying. And remember, verily, in the remembrance of Allah, do hearts find rest. Now, say in your heart, Ya Allah, I trust your timing. Ya Allah, I trust your design. You don't need to see the full picture. You just need to trust the one who is still painting. If you are ready to stop judging what is still being created, then type in the comments, Allah is the best planner, and share this with someone who feels like their life is not making sense right now, because their story is not broken. It is still being written. Stay patient, stay trusting, stay connected to Allah, stay blessed always.